today we have Unit 4, visiting a film studio. Visiting a film studio. As we said before, the word film studio, this is a place where we can see people acting. Actors, actresses, they all acting a scene, acting a film, بيمثل يعني. Okay, let's read our new vocabulary. Read after me. Make friends. Make friends. طبعا make friends letter D here is silent. Make friends يعني يكون صداقات. To have friends يعني يكون صداقات. Okay. Get a sunburn. Get a sunburn. Get a sunburn يعني يأخذ حمام شمس. Okay. Especially in sunny countries. Okay. A lot of tourists, a lot of people like to get a sunburn. Of course, it's very good for their bodies. Okay, get a sunburn, يأخذ حمام شمس. Okay, listen to music. Listen to music. Of course, letter T is silent. We write it, but we do not say it. And we always say listen to. We do not say listen at, or listen in, or listen on. لا, it's listen to. Listen to music يستمع إلى الموسيقى. Take a nap. Take a nap. Take a nap اللي هو يأخذ وقت القيلولة. Okay? It means to sleep for a short time during the day. Here when I say day, I mean the opposite of night, فترة النهار. Okay? لما الإنسان بينام لفترة قصيرة, this is during the day, فترة النهار, it is called take a nap. And we always say take a nap, we don't say sleep a nap. Take a nap. Okay? Talk on the phone. Talk on the phone. Letter L is silent and we always use preposition on. Talk on. We do not say talk in the phone. أتكلم في التليفون. لا. It's in Arabic we can say يتحدث عبر الهاتف. يبقى talk on the phone. Okay? Sign. Sign. Sign it means to give your signature اللي هي التوقيع يوقع. letter G is silent. Autographs طبعا اللي هو زي ما يكون little notebook where a famous person, a famous actor, famous actress, famous writer, artist can write something to you. بيحاول هو يكتب لك حاجة. It is called the sign autographs يعني يوقع autograph. Okay, again sign. Autographs. Of course, letters BH give me the sound F. Okay, autographs. Have an accident. Have an accident. طبعا بدك accident يعني حادثة. In Arabic we say مثلا قام بعمل حادث. لا, we do not say make accident. We do not use the verb make with the word accident. We use the verb have. Have an accident. It's very important to know the verb that we use with the noun. Okay? So with accident, we say have an accident. With autographs, we use sign. The phone, we can say talk on the phone. So let's repeat them again. Make friends. Get a sunburn. Listen to music. Take a nap. Talk on the phone. Sign autographs. Have an accident. Okay, now it's your turn to read. Speak up. Again. Have an accident. Okay, that's it. Let's talk about the grammar lesson in Unit 4. This is lesson 2. We are again talking about the present simple tense. زمن المضارع البسيط. Of course, last time we talked about the positive form, حالة طبعا الإثبات. Okay, how to write any verb at the present simple tense in positive form. Today we'll talk about the second form. It is called the negative form. Negative form to talk about an action that doesn't happen. Okay, doesn't happen during the present simple. Okay. If my sentence starts with pronouns I, we, they, or you, or any plural noun أو أي اسم جمع, we can use don't. we can use don't plus main verb. Of course, don't it's short form, long form it's do not. So again, if I start with I, we, they, you, or any plural noun like children, pupils, friends, boys, okay, we can use don't plus main verb to form negative verb at the present simple. My sentence starts with he or she, it, or any singular noun. We can use doesn't. Doesn't equal to does not. And after doesn't or doesn't, we must have main verb. When I say main verb, I mean a verb without any addition, without s, ed, or I, ing. Example, when I say I or we, if my sentence starts with I or we can say don't sign autographs, as I said, because my sentence here starts with I or we, so we say don't. And after don't, we must have main verb, sign autographs, okay? This sentence, it's written in negative form. And we have another way to talk about the negative form. Another way to talk about negative form, but with another way. Without using don't, we can use another word instead of don't, okay? That's why here I write equal, okay? This sentence is equal to another sentence when I say I or we never sign autographs. Never here, it has negative meaning. الكلمة نفسها كلمة never has negative meaning, so it's equal to don't. So to express the negative form, عشان انت تتكلم عن معنى النفي, you can use don't or never here to give me the negative meaning. But you can't use the two in one sentence, don't and never together. You can't use them. Don't or never to give the negative meaning. So I or we never sign autographs. And notice here, pay attention to the order here of your words. We use never before the verb. We say never sign. We do not say sign never. It's never sign. Okay? Another one. If I start with he or she, we say doesn't or don't? Doesn't. And after doesn't, we must have main verb. The main verb here is talk. Okay? Talk on the phone. If I delete doesn't, we can say he or she talk or talks? Talks. But here, because I have doesn't, we delete letter S. He or she doesn't talk on the phone. This sentence again is equal to hardly ever. We can delete doesn't and we can use hardly ever. We can delete doesn't and we can use never to talk about the negative. Okay? To give the negative sense, okay? He or she hardly ever talks on the phone. Okay, we get this point concerning the negative. The last part in present simple tense, how to form questions, ازاي اتكلم على السؤال, how to ask at the present. Okay, the form we can use do when I have you, they, or we, and we can use ever here. We can use only ever when we ask. We can't use hardly ever when we ask. We use ever when we ask. If I start with does, we use does when I have he, she, it, or any singular noun. And again we can use ever. After it we have main verb. فعل الأساسي بدون إضافات. Example, when I say, do you ever drive a sports car? Again here, I use ever because we ask. When I ask, I can use ever, okay? معنى السؤال يعني هل أنت عمرك قمت بقيادة سيارة رياضية؟ We can have short answer. It's yes, I do. It's a short answer. But if I wanted to give someone a complete answer, الإجابة الكاملة, how can we answer it? First we say yes, we change you into I. But what about ever? Can we use ever in positive sentence? We can't use it because we always use ever only when we ask. So we must change ever into another adverb of frequency. نحولها بقى لظرف تاني من ظروف التكرار الزمنية اللي كان ليها علاقة بالpresent simple. Okay? If your answer starts with yes, in this case you can change ever into or or usually, or often, or sometimes. One of them. Why? Because my answer starts with yes. Okay? Yes, I always drive a sports car. Or yes, I usually, often, sometimes drive a sports car. So when I have ever, when I ask, I can change it in the answer into always, usually, often, sometimes, if my sentence starts with yes. لو الإجابة بدأت بإيه؟ Yes. Okay? Let's have another example to learn it to make it more clearly for you. Does he ever get a sunburn? Does he ever get a sunburn? Again, here we ask with does because we have ever. We have main verb. We have the main verb get because I start with does. After does or do, when we ask, we must have main verb. Okay? Does he ever get a sunburn? Short answer, yes he does. What about the long answer, the complete answer? We must change ever into always or usually or often or sometimes. Why? Because we start with yes. Okay? Yes, he always gets a sunburn. Okay? What about the negative answer? If I have negative answer, how do we change ever? هنحول ever ده إيه؟ Do they ever listen to music? Our short answer will be no, they don't. Okay? Let's talk about the complete answer. We will say no, they. What about ever? How can we change it? We will change ever into an adverb of frequency that expresses the negative meaning. هنحولها لظرف من الظروف الزمنية بتاعت التكرار ولكن اللي بتدل على النيجاتيف meaning إن الحدث لا يتم. اللي هم مين؟ never لا أبدا أو hardly ever means نادرا إن الحدث ده ما بيتم. So if I start with no, I will change ever into never or hardly ever. If I start with yes, we change ever into always, usually, often, sometimes. So no, they never listen to music. No, they hardly ever listen to music. Another one. Does she ever put on makeup? Okay, tell me, why do we ask with does at first? Why do we ask with does? Why do we ask with does? We do not say, do she? Because I have she. Because we have she. When we have she, he, it, in singular noun, we ask with does. Okay? Does she ever put on makeup? Okay? My answer, we can say short answer, no she doesn't. And we can have complete answer, no she, change ever into never or hardly ever puts on makeup. Okay? This concerning the negative form and the question form. Let's talk about that choose one. Is number one.
Does.
Does. Why do you choose does? Because we have she. When I have she, I can ask with does. Okay, two. No, I hardly ever take an nap. Okay, of course we can't use every. We can't use every in the middle of my sentence. Start, we use it only at the beginning or at the end. Ever, we only use it when we want to ask yet in negative sentence. Okay, number three. Yes. She likes music. She listens to music. Let's ever. Always, of course. Ever, we can't use it in sentence. This is number one. Number two, here, you want to choose the adverb of frequency, okay? That it's suitable for your meaning, the context, حسب سياق المعنى. هو بيقول إن هي بتحب الموسيقى. طب واحدة بتحب الموسيقى يبقى إيه؟ الحدث هنا بيتكرر إيه؟ With 100%. يبقى she always listens to music دائما. Okay? Yes. Last one. You ever wear a wig? Do. Of course, when I have you, I can ask this do as a present.